Okay, Peppa, what do you say? I'm Little Red Riding Hood. Very good. Then what? I'm going to visit my grandma. I'm going to visit my grandma. Bravo, Peppa!
Granddad dog and Mummy dog.
I'm a big bad
Try not to laugh, Danny.
You should be a bit scarier. Try it like this, Danny. I'm the big bad wolf. I'm gonna eat you up. You see?
Yes, that was really scary.
He's going to play the hunter. He will rescue.
I'm the hunter.
Pedro is a bit shy.
There. You say, I'm going to chase you away, you big bad wolf.
Go away, naughty wolf.
Good, Pedro.
Rebecca Rabbit is going to be the grandma.
Let's see. At the start. So right at the and you say,
Thank you.
very good, Rebecca.
Everyone has come to see the school play.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our play, The Little Red Riding Hood. First, let us meet the actors. Please, for the sake of the actors, no photography, please. And now, our play begins. Grandma is at home. But who is this visitor?
On the big bad wolf.
Oh dear, Danny is...
You must go in the cupboard.
Go in the cupboard.
The big red wolf is pretending to be Grandma.
I am Little Red Riding Hood. I'm going to visit my grandma.
Bravo, Peppa.
Daddy, you must not take photos.
Oops. Peppa, carry on.
I'm going to... Oh, you don't look like my grandma. Yes, you have. You are the big bad wolf. Help! Oh, help!
But look who is here. Just in time. Pedro the hunter.
Help! Oh, help!
Just in time. Pedro the hunter.
Pedro is a bit shy.
Pedro, would you like me to come on with you?
Yes, please. You are... I thank you, Grandma. Thank you. Pedro, you were very good. You are almost as good as me.
Please, a brand new series coming soon, only on Nick Junior. Peppa Pig and her friends are coming up next on Nick Junior.
Nick Jr.'s got the yummiest ingredients for a happy Mother's Day. You'll need a little sugar pepper, a spoonful of hum, a sprinkle of Ben and Holly Magic, then call this number now. I was in terrible debt. Credit cards, loans, overdrafts, everything. I thought I'd lose my home. Someone who understood my problems. They've helped over 500,000 people. Their debt. For me, they dealt with my lenders, and now I only pay back what I can afford. They give straightforward debt advice, and you can be sure to receive the best standard of service. That's because Debt-Free Direct are members of the Debt Managers Standards Association and follow their strict consumer code. So call them now. They'll find the right solution to how much you owe. Speak to Debt-Free Direct. 9809. It could change your life.
Not your most impressive landing captain. Let's check out the insurance, Skip.
Use your head to save your bread and go compare. It makes it really well. Go compare. And you thank your stars that you went to the
Senator Flight, never do this.
I'm a Dora Easter egg hunt. Want to help me look? Wait, bananas. Look, we found one. A Dora flower girl. A Dora guitar. This brings Dora Dolls and Games. The Dora the Explorer range available now at Smith's Toy Superstore. When it's a bag, not just a bag. When it's a